What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today we're going to talk about data and data selfie. All right, please read the disclaimer. We're not really talking about financial advice today, but I guess it's kind of all related. Data and making money are two things that kind of go hand in hand. People refer to data right now as internet gold, and I'm sure most of you have probably heard there's been a Senate hearing that happened earlier today, or yesterday, I guess it was by now. And Zukerberg, basically, I did, read a number of articles, probably about 5-6 articles, and from what I can tell, nothing really came out of it. He kind of went through the whole thing unscathed. Each senator had about 5 minutes to talk to him. I didn't actually watch the hearing. I don't really have time for that. But I'm going to guess, just based on the articles that I've read, like, just a bunch of people that probably didn't know that much about what's really going on. A lot of these senators are older and probably don't have a lot of knowledge of, like, the Facebook algorithm and things that are really going on in today's digital world. And, basically, from what I can tell from all the articles I've read, probably about 7 or 8 in the last hour here, and they all pretty much don't really tell you anything. Basically, he, had questions, he answered them, and, it is what it is. Life goes on. He did kind of take responsibility for, obviously apologizing sort of for, like, anything that possibly could have been a breach in the data or whatever. But, at the end of the day, I don't think any regulation or anything of significance really came out of yesterday's hearing, as far as I can tell, based on everything that I've read. Could we see some changes with Facebook in the near future? Maybe some privacy policy type of stuff. I don't think you're going to see their algorithm change like too much overall. But you never know. I mean, things are different than they were 6 months ago. We're obviously having to run traffic a little bit differently because the algorithm's working a little bit differently. Let's go into today or yesterday. It's now. So yesterday we did about $600 in conversions. We only spent about just over $100 to make that, so we were about $500 in profit yesterday. So pretty good day. We're still capped on the amount of conversions we can do right now because we're still working with the advertiser on this particular campaign to make sure the quality is what they want. So that's kind of how affiliate marketing works. But we did do a $500 profit day yesterday, hit our 20 conversions, and go from there. So anyway, let's go back to data. Okay, let's talk about data selfie. This is a Chrome extension. You can just go on to Google. You can Google, data selfie. It's going to be, when you load it here, it's going to be this little eyeball on the top right here. Okay. And data selfie basically is a free Chrome extension. It's a project, so you can actually go in and kind of get an idea of how Facebook, Google basically are viewing your data. Like when you're searching around on Facebook, looking at news feeds, commenting, liking, and basically how your actions are basically, coming together in, like, with AI and machine learning to give you like basically an online personality. So it's pretty cool. I want to show you basically how this works. Once you download the extension, you just click on the the little eyeball up here, right there, and that's going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. Okay, and this shows like when I was on Facebook, what I've liked, what I've clicked, typed, and my top friends, basically my top likes, and then it basically goes in and kind of predicts like different things that you're going to be like relevant to and whatnot. You can see here there's basically relevance 0 to 1, and what I'm interested in, and personality predictions. I know that they're using like IBM Watson. I did some reading here on this. It's pretty interesting. Project is what it is. It's basically just a project, and so I went in here and I started messing around, reading the frequently asked questions, basically it's not actually tied into the Facebook API. It's not actually communicating with it, but it is a project where like some developers came up with, you know, basically a tool that will give, you know, us, you know, marketers an idea of like how the Facebook algorithm and the Google algorithm and stuff is looking at our actions. So it's pretty cool. It's kind of cool to go in and understand how this kind of works. Even though it's not the exact algorithm, it does give you a lot of data and you can kind of see how the machine works. And I found something that was pretty cool here. I went over to the frequently asked questions. The one I went into was, let's see, what way can I play with the algorithm? So I was scrolling through this and I came down to this little section here and it allowed me to go in and play with the algorithm basically, like it says. Where was the link here? Oh, here it is. So I applied the magic sauce demo. Okay, I clicked on that. That's on the page that was the frequently asked questions, and then it was, can I play with the algorithms? Okay, so basically it's allowing me to go in and play with the algorithms. So I went in and I put in my, this is the personality insights, the IBM Watson developer cloud, and I put in my Twitter profile, and it, you know, said I had basically at Brian Surreal here, excuse me, and basically it kind of gave me an entire personality profile out of 2390 words analyzed, a very strong analysis. It said some things that said I liked, which is kind of funny because I don't really like science fiction movies, but you know, prefer to buy comfort clothes. That's probably true. I do like some rock music. It's just kind of funny how this thing, basically the IBM Watson here kicked out all this stuff: consumer needs, personality, values. So I encourage you guys to go out and download this Chrome extension, Data Selfie. It is kind of heavy. You actually, when you get up on Facebook here, there's this little circle in the corner bottom left, and I don't know, it's kind of heavy. It's not really working right now, but it actually counts down, like when you're looking at something. It actually will show like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that'll track like here, like how long you know, if you looked at it, typed it, link clicked it, whatever, and then, you know, this is kind of tracking your whole, you know, your whole personality, what you're doing online. So it's pretty cool. It's kind of interesting how this all works, and it is good to understand as a marketer, especially if you're using Facebook, Google, like we do, understand how kind of like this whole AI thing works. So when you're trying to run ads to somebody, and you can get a better idea of, you know, their interests, and the, you know, there's ways to target on Facebook to potentially narrow down your audience to a more refined target, that, you know, this kind of stuff plays a role in that, like how the AI works and how, you know, Facebook is, you know, learning who you are throughout the process of you browsing on your Facebook, basically. So, you know, I think it's good to understand how this all works. At least go in. I encourage you to go in and download the Chrome extension. Play around with this. It's free. Go in and you know, go in and run the personality test on yourself, on your Twitter profile. See what it says about you. It's kind of fun. Nothing that is like over the top, need to do right away. But, you know, on a Sunday afternoon when you want to play around and understand how the algorithms and stuff work, this is a pretty cool tool to understand and really see what's going on, since, you know, it's kind of relevant to what's going on with Mark Zukerberg sitting in front of the Senate right now. So I thought it was a good day to go ahead and put this video out. I hope you guys enjoyed what I showed you today. If you would, I would appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and type in the comments, I'm subscribed, and I respond to all my comments. And I appreciate you guys coming out today. Go ahead and bang that notifications bell for me. And Brian Pfeiffer, the Marketing Meathead, is out. Talk to you later.